Rice water for hair growth. Let's make rice water for hair growth. Wash your rice, put it in a container, then add water to it. Add enough water. You can fill it to the brim depending on the quantity of rice you use. Cover it and let it infuse for 2 days. After 2 days or 3 days, you can make use of any ingredients. You can use onion. Peel off the back of the onion, then grate your onion. Onion helps to grow hair. It has sulfur in it, which helps to stimulate collagen production. Collagen helps to grow hair. It helps to promote hair, and this collagen is found inside onion. That makes it great for hair growth. After grating it, the next thing you have to do is to strain it. You can use cheesecloth, you can use strainer, anyone you have. Don't add water to the onion to avoid diluting it. Adding water may dilute it, making it less effective. Then this is the onion juice. After 2 days, bring out your fermented rice water. You will see some kind of microorganism or debris inside. That is because it has been infused. It's ready to be used. You can guess the amount of rice water you'll be using at that moment. After you have gotten it, then the next thing you have to do is to mix these two ingredients together. Add your extracted onion juice. Both of them will help to grow your hair. Apply it on your hair. Wash it off after 2 hours and shampoo as always. Like this video and share this video with your friends.